Well, it's been a while, but here I am back with some updates for my NASCOM 4 design. There are a few hardware changes all within the FPGA, and there are various software changes. So the first change, trivial as it seems, is that I now have a version number which is stored in the FPGA. Now, when I put the SD card in, you can see we've got a rather more extensive menu than before. So there are three ROMs in the FPGA. Firstly, there's the special boot ROM, which handles this menu and setting the system up. Secondly, there's a NASCIS3 image, and thirdly, there's the ROMs for the character generator. And all of those ROMs, they don't all have to be there, but it's kind of convenient because it allows you to bring up a system without having an SD card present. The interesting thing about ROMs on the FPGA is that the ROMs are really configured RAMs. So by setting them up and adding a write enable to them, you can rewrite their contents. So this allows the character generator, so this is the first hardware change, it allows the character generator to be rewritten. So now I have a programmable character generator. The character generator can be mapped into the address space, and then you can redefine any of the 256 characters in the character set. So the default character set is the NASCOM and the NASCOM graphics set, but I can switch here using these menu options. I can switch to the VFC character set for the 80-column video, or I can switch to the Sargon character set. And with the Sargon character set, when I go into NASCIS, then the graphics characters allow me to draw all of these interesting chess characters and a few other weird things. And you can redefine the characters from basic, or you can sit at the NASCIS prompt, page the character generator in, and use the M command to change things. Once you've changed the character generator, that does not change then with reset. It's retained until the next power cycle, or until you load another image, another character generator over the top. So in this case, all that's happening is that what's bound to these menu keys is simply loading a copy of the character generator off the SD card into the character generator memory. And when I press X, it's just loading back in off SD card what had originally been in the ROM at power up. So the other new addition here is that I've fixed up the arbitration between the two video outputs. So now we can actually get output from both monitors simultaneously. And I'll show a little bit more about that in a moment, or maybe in the next video. And finally, I've implemented for the map80 graphics, the map80 80-column video, I've implemented the capability to use the upper bit of the character to select inverse video rather than selecting the graphics character set. And that is required in order to run WordStar, which will also show in the next video. So all of that's just FPGA changes. The one change I have yet to do is to implement a hardware flashing cursor for the map80 video card, which is, again, makes things a bit nicer when you're running CPM. That requires me to implement effectively some more of the capabilities of the 6845. So that's all for now.